Hi, welcome to Treasures of Love. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have some fun mail that came in. A bunch of glitter from a company in Florida called Glitter Hippo. So I ordered one glitter, and then I ordered their surprise pack, which is 20 glitters that you get just random, and this is what I got. Alright, so this is what I got. I got 21 glitters. I ordered one, which was the red diamonds. So this is the hippo, and then this is the glitter that's inside the bag. So this is red diamonds. This is the one I ordered. And then I ordered their mystery pack, and it's 20 glitters that they randomly pick and give you. And these are the ones that I got. They are super cool. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. This is UV glitter. It changes color in the sunlight. So it goes from white to red, and it is so sparkly and beautiful. Okay, then this one is a cold activated thermal glitter. Changes color at 72 degrees and colder. This would be cool in the winter here in Omaha. So it's colorless, but it's beautiful. It's got a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can tell. And then it goes to orange. That's gonna be super cool. And then this one is Glitter Infinite, changes color at 72 degrees and colder. So it starts off at turquoise and then it turns to purple. So I got that one. This one is gorgeous. You see that sparkle? This is shimmer glitter, cool as a cucumber. This one is so beautiful. I don't know what I'm going to use it in, but I'm using it. Okay. This one is a color shift chunky mix. It's magic mushroom. It's like a rose gold color, and it's got different glitter, different sizes of glitter in it. It's beautiful. And then I got a little goodie bag bonus. It's gorgeous. It's thermal glitter, changes color with heat, and it goes from purple to yellow. Look at that. It just glimmers. It's so pretty. Then this is mermaid scales. It's an iridescent mylar flake. This is very pretty. It's all different cuts of glitter, or mylar flakes. It's different. It's not just shreds. It's all different cuts, like diamond and squares. Then this is iridescent chunky glitter. Let's get crackin'. It's blues and greens. Is what it looks like. Okay. This one is lemonade. It's an iridescent glitter. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yellow. Yellow is hard because it's always got a green hue to it. This does have a green hue to it. I don't know if you can see it. But it's not overtaking the yellow. Okay. This one is a holographic glitter. The rose-colored glasses. That is beautiful. Look at that. And the last one is chunky excuse me, chunky hollow glitter, high beams. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. It looks like it's blue, AB silver, and I think that's it. Oh, little turquoise is what I see in there too. It's gorgeous. So that's what I got from Glitter Hippo. They're in, oh my gosh, where are they? They're in Florida. They're on the west coast of Florida. The shipping was quick. I ordered on a Tuesday, and it was out the next day in the mail, and I got it on a Saturday, and the shipping was like $6, so it wasn't bad. And I know with the USPS, all the prices went up, so $6 is actually like $4 from a few months ago, what it would have been. So it's not bad, and you get all of this. And I paid, it was $20 for this and $3 for that. Oh, every one of these is $3. And if you get the mystery bag, it's $2. So you get $2. And then with my discount, you get 10% off. So you really save. So each of these are $3 a piece. and you get 20 grams of glitter. So yeah, check out the link in the description and use my discount code and order from them. You won't be sorry. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.